Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Lenovo LP75 Bluetooth 5.3 Earphones TWS wireless sport headphones. These earphones are packed with some incredible features that make them a must-have for anyone who loves music, gaming, or staying active. First off, let's talk about the Bluetooth 5.3 technology. With seamless connectivity and faster data transfer, you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts without any interruptions. Not all these earphones also come with active noise cancellation, so you can block out unwanted noise and truly immerse yourself in your music. And with the LED digital display, you can always keep track of the battery life and charging status, making it super convenient to use. The HiFi stereo feature delivers high-quality sound with clear and crisp audio, so you can enjoy your music to the fullest. And with the waterproof technology, you won't have to worry about water or sweat damaging your earphones during your workouts. These earphones also come with a 300 mAh charging case that can fully charge the earphones around 5 times, offering up to 6 hours of music time. And with the 13mm dual drive units, you can experience 9D strong deep bass music sound perfect for all your favorite tunes. The touch control function allows you to easily switch songs, take phone calls, and even activate your voice assistant with just a simple touch. And with the IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof design, these earphones are comfortable to wear and perfect for sports and other outdoor activities. Not to mention the Bluetooth 5.3 upgrade, ear-hanging design, and Type-C fast charging make these earphones a top-of-line product that you won't want to miss out on. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Lenovo LP75 Bluetooth 5.3 Earphones TWS wireless sport headphones and take your music and gaming experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.